Today, on Crimes Against Us, on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, Georgia Governor Kemp signed Senate Bill 244, which could allow Donald Trump to recoup millions in legal fees from Fulton County taxpayers if the court disqualifies DA Fani Willis in the election interference case. However, Willis was removed from the election interference case against Trump on December 19, 2024. The Georgia Court of Appeals ruled that Willis and her office could not continue to prosecute the case due to an appearance of impropriety stemming from a romantic relationship she had with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, whom she had hired to lead the case. Willis submitted an appeal on January 10, 2025, and she awaits the court's decision. Yet, Fulton County residents push back on Kemp's law. Let's watch.
Taxpayers could soon have to pay all of Donald Trump's legal bills resulting from his indictment and prosecution. Governor Kemp signed a bill yesterday that would do that, but only if certain conditions happen. And our Channel 2's Richard Elliott is live in Union City with what some Fulton County taxpayers think about this.
Yeah, this would only happen if the Georgia Supreme Court disqualified Fani Willis from the case and all charges against Donald Trump and the others were dropped. No one knows exactly how much that legal price tag may be, but given this point in this very long prosecution, it could be well into the millions. Jamie Wilden is busy cutting hair at this Union City barbershop. Whatever he thinks of Trump as president, he doesn't want to have to pay his legal bills.
We shouldn't have to pay nothing having to do with, first of all, a man that's already a billionaire.
But under this brand new law, county taxpayers would have to pay Trump's legal bills if DA Fani Willis is disqualified and if the charges in the case are dismissed. Both could very well happen in the criminal case against Donald Trump and the other election interference defendants.
They were wrongly accused. It was a witch hunt. They've ruined their reputation.
Former Alpharetta State Senator Brandon Beach wrote the bill specifically for the Trump case. He's now Trump's treasurer of the United States. He insisted in March that voters should be on the hook for Trump's legal fees because they elected Willis.
You know what? They should have thought about that when they elected her, because she has mismanaged that office from the YSL case to the Trump case. She spent millions of dollars on these wild chases.
Trump's attorney Steve Sadow said this about the new law, quote, Governor Kemp's resolute decision to sign the bill represents a major turning point in holding unethical, opportunistic, and deceitful prosecutors accountable for their misconduct. But up in North Fulton's Roswell, some folks still don't think they should be held financially accountable too.
I think that's totally wrong. That's not right.
Why?
As a taxpayer, why should I have to pay for his legal bill?
The Fulton County DA's office had no comment about this new law. No word when the Georgia Supreme Court will hand down its final ruling on Fani Willis and potential disqualification.